In today's video, we're going to dive into the 5 insurance policies everyone should have to ensure they and their loved ones are fully protected. From protecting your income to safeguarding your family's future, these policies are not just optional, they're essential. Stick around to find out which ones you might be missing out on. At number 1, the prospect of long-term disability, or LTD, is so frightening that some people choose to ignore it. While we all think that nothing will happen to me, relying on hope to protect your future earning power is not a good idea. Instead, choose a disability policy that provides enough coverage to enable you to enjoy your current lifestyle even if you can no longer continue working. Long-term disability provides a monetary benefit equal to a portion, say 50 or 60%, of the insured salary for covered disabilities. Long-term disability typically begins when short-term disability ends. To receive benefits, the disability must have occurred after the policy's issuance and then, typically after a waiting period. Medical information, often confirmed by a physician, must be provided to the insurer for consideration. Next, life insurance. Life insurance protects the people that are financially dependent on you. If your parents, spouse, children, or other loved ones would face financial hardship if you died, life insurance should be high on your list of required insurance policies. Think about how much you earn each year and the number of years you plan to remain employed, and purchase a policy to replace that income in the event of your untimely demise. Factor in the cost of burial too, as the unexpected cost is a burden for many families. Third, health insurance. The soaring cost of medical care is reason enough to make health insurance a necessity. Even a simple visit to the family doctor can result in a hefty bill. More serious injuries that result in a hospital stay can generate a bill that tops the price of a one-week stay at a luxury resort. Injuries that require surgery can quickly rack up 5-figure costs. Although the cost of health insurance is a financial burden for just about everyone, the potential cost of not having coverage is much higher. Next, homeowners insurance. Replacing your home is an expensive proposition. Having the right homeowners insurance can make the process less difficult. When shopping for a policy, look for one that covers the replacement of the structure and the contents, in addition to the cost of living somewhere else while your home is repaired. Keep in mind the cost of rebuilding doesn't need to include the cost of the land since you already own it. Depending on the age of your home and the amenities it contains, the cost to replace it could be more or less than the price you paid for it. To get an accurate estimate, find out what local builders charge per square foot and multiply that number by the amount of space you will need to replace. Don't forget to factor in the cost of upgrades and special features. Also, be sure the policy covers the cost of any liability for injuries that might occur on your property. Last, automobile insurance. Some level of automobile insurance is required by law in most places. Even if you are not required to have it, and you are driving an old clunker that has been paid off for years, automobile insurance is something you shouldn't skip. If you are involved in an accident and someone is injured or their property is damaged, you may be subject to a lawsuit that could cost you everything you own. Accidents happen quickly, and the results are often tragic. Having no automobile insurance or purchasing only the minimum required coverage saves you only a tiny amount of money and puts everything else you own at risk. So there you have it. These insurance policies are the cornerstone of financial security. Make sure you're not leaving yourself exposed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.